I have always believed that the most interesting people in the world are those who are interested in others. And viewed through the lens of facilitation, this idea carries two really important lessons. The first, curiosity is a program design tool. When you deliberately stoke curiosity in your sessions, through the activities you choose, the questions you ask, the experiences you create, you don't just drive engagement, you build relationships. And relationships are what make people feel safe enough to step outside their comfort zone and truly participate. The second lesson is simpler, but harder to practice consistently. It's always about them, not you. The more you focus your energy on your group, on the individuals in the room, their stories, their needs, their responses, the more rapport you build and the more powerful your learning environment becomes. And here's what I know from personal experience. But first, if these lessons resonate with you, go ahead and hit the like button. People have often told me, "Mark, you're one of the most interesting people I've ever met." Now, that's lovely of them to say, but in reality, I just spent most of the time asking them questions and stoking the group's curiosity about one another. Of course, I share a little bit about myself, I always do, but my focus is always on my group. Bottom line, interested people are interesting people. Now, for dozens of fun activities that deliberately promote curiosity in your group, look for the link in the description below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to never miss another Lazy Facilitator tip or activity idea. Thanks for watching and have fun out there.